in any event, discus, shot put, they must have tried 200, 300, 400, 500 times daily basis. Do you agree with me, Sai? Suppose I'm happy that this you are measuring, and sometimes this is a good show, and sometimes this is a bad show, and sometimes it could be like this. So every shot throw is measured. Asta, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So what we are measuring?
The distance.
Distance. So if I put this distance as variable x, so is this variable will be continuous or discrete? Any volunteer?
Discrete.
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 Sir. It will
What
vary.
is the difference between discrete and continuous? Ashwini, we had covered that.
Sir, discrete means it will vary.
And continuous will not vary.
No,
continuous will
discrete.
vary,
The discrete is
It
a
is
whole
the same,
number.
Also
sir.
very, it will.
One by one. Rasmi, then Trushali.
So discrete is a whole number and continuous.
Right. Ashwini, you are bluffing in the morning. This one, Rasmi, will be a whole number always or can be fractional?
So whole number.
Arey, what is the example? When you are throwing it is exactly 20 meter, exactly 23 meter, can it not have like 22.3 meters?
Sir, it can.
So when I ask you what type of variable it is, many of you told discrete. That means you have forgotten what you have discussed. This is
Sir,
clearly,
Continuous.
yeah.
Sir,
Abhinav,
but
tell.
for qualification, you need a discrete, like you need a discrete measurement, no?
why
Because
discrete?
they are 85.
Why discrete?
Yes, sir, because they kept it at 85, no? It's a whole number.
No, I never told one event. Say 100 meters.
Okay.
It could be fractional, no? So what is the time taken to cover 100 meter? So it could be fraction. Even a second also counts. Okay. So in general, so though they have put something whole number doesn't mean that's a real whole number. It can be fractional also. So it is a random variable, continuous variable. All of you clear, agree? Abhinav? Some of you should switch
Yes,
on
sir.
video. Now, if you observe in the practice session, Rasmi, Abhinav, say for example, you have noted in practice session 300 times for a certain event of a certain player before joining Olympics. If we are putting it as observation data here or there, right? Now, if you recall this data, single column data, we will be calling as what? Raw data. You are collecting it for the first time. If you recall my session number 1, once you get raw data like this, use data, what do? Initially, we tabulate, put it in a frequency table, right? Say, for example, this is discus throw, and you know that anything beyond 15 or 16 meter is fairly good. Suppose you start the class interval like 16 to 18 meter, 18 to 20 meter, 20 to 2 meter, 22 to 24 meter, and could be possibly sometimes rare event will happen like this, or less than 16 also. So this is the first column. Next column will be Asim, Saraswati. What will be the next column? Asim, then Madhusmita.
Yes, sir. Next column.
Madhusmita.
Sir, number of times that
What we
range
call, you are in my statistics class. This is frequency.
frequency.
This is class. So what will be this total here? Mohima Naik.
17.
I have told 300 means it will be 300, right? Now, if I put value, all of you think for a while to yourself. Think. If I draw the frequency curve in general, how the frequency curve would look like? Think for a while. Raise your hand. No commotion, no repetition. Raise your hand. How Give a try. Be quick. Save time. Volunteers. Another.
Maybe upward sloping.
Upward. Are you writing a statistics book? Have we discussed like upward curve? You are in statistics class or some philosophy class? Madhusmita?
Sir, kind of bell shape, downward bell
Right.
shape.
Another, we have discussed skewed curve, symmetric curve, normal curve. We have forgotten.
Yes, sir. No, sir, I remember.
So if you remember, so maybe Madhusmita tried, you could have told ki maybe it may not be symmetric. So what she suggested thought, it could be perhaps a bell-shaped symmetric curve. Okay. Now try to understand why I am giving this example to start with a new chapter called normal distribution. I'm happy that it came from you, maybe like represented by Madhusmita told. Bell-shaped curve is also called normal curve. Do you agree?
Yes.
Now, normally what happens if you repeat for many number of times, some bad moments happen where you do not perform. These are the low scores. Ospura, am I making sense? These are something like a rare event when you are doing excellent performance. Okay? And most of the time, on an average, your score will be here. Okay? So most of the time means you have got many high frequency here. Very rare frequency here, rare frequency here. Hima, do you watch cricket or do you take interest in cricket? Subiksha,
Yes, sir.
have you heard of double turn, triple turn, means like double century, triple century by batsman? Sai, how often the batsmen score? Say for example, rare, okay? So those are in the right hand side. Even a good rated player like Kohli also would have been out a 0. What happened yesterday? Those who have watched India, England first innings match, Kohli got out at 0. So 0 means, do you think that Kohli will be getting out at 0-0 repeatedly, or it's a rare thing? Rasmi, Chino, unmute karke jao.
Rare thing, sir.
So most of the time he will be scoring here. So this is something like a normal situation, what we should think of before introducing the properties of normal curve. Now, I request you all to please go back to my previous classes where we had discussed something about symmetric curve, normal curve. Can you suggest some of the properties of a normal curve? Raise your hand, please participate. Quick, save time. What you remember are the property, Ashwini?
Sir, all normal curves are not symmetric, but all symmetric curves are normal.
Fine, but I'm asking about the normal curve. I'm not asking about the symmetric curve. Anything else? Good. Yes, try it, Ashwini. Anything else?
Sir,
Try.
sir, the probability will be high in like the mean mode. It will be unimodal. Like it will be like the mean mode median will be at the center of the curve. Like
So
high
what
probability
Asim
will
is
be there.
suggesting, art center, mean, median, mode will coincide. Good. So all of you draw a curve like this and start writing the property. So somebody is suggesting the value of x mean will be at center, that is property number 1, and mean, median, mode will coincide. Very good. Thank you. Anything else?
So
Almost
68% of the population mean will lie in one standard deviation.
Come again.
The 68% of the population mean will lie in the plus minus one
Okay,
standard
good.
deviation.
Good. You are going high funda. I'm so happy that you are going 4, 5, 6, 7 steps ahead. To start with, anything else? Good. Abhishek, that is correct.
May I?
Rusali, quick. Then Madhusmita.
So it can be positively skewed or negatively skewed.
No, totally wrong. No question of positively skewed. Madhusmita?
Area under the curve always will be in the left and right. If you will add, then it will be 1.
Right. So Madhusmita, what she is suggesting, as it is exactly at center, so both will be equal. So here is a 50-50. So if it is a in percentage term or probability term, if the total area we call it as 1 or 100%, left hand side will be 0.5, left hand side will be, right hand side will be 0.5. Okay. So please remember this. And with this, hope I have just introduced what the normal distribution should look like. And I believe my screen is visible. I have got a structured presentation. This PPT I had shared. So if you have gone through the PPT, this is part of continuous probability distribution. And this was given by Professor Gauss. And this is one of the most important distribution among all. And from exam point of view also, this is really very, very important. All of you should pay attention. I guess minimum 2 questions should come in exam for normal distribution alone. Now, what we have discussed here, I'm happy that some of you have participated well. Sai, you are not listening to me. You are not attentive. Sai, stop doing anything else. Look to the screen. It's a random variable and it is a continuous variable. And please remember, I was expecting that you could have told for the first time, this value can be negative. Like temperature. Temperature can be negative. Profit and loss of a company, it can be in positive, it can be negative. Okay, so think of the situation where normal probability distribution rules formula can be applied. Okay, it can be fractional. We just now told all of you, start writing quickly. These are the properties by which we should identify one normal distribution. So the range of x here can be anything between -infinity to +infinity. Please start writing this. And I'm happy that some of you suggested that the curve will be perfectly bell-shaped curve and perfectly symmetric. Trushita, it is not skewed. When it is symmetric, no skewed. Okay. Now, somebody also told, I think Madhusmita correctly told, the central value, mean value, will cut the curve into exactly 2 equal area, and each portion of the area will be 0.5 on each side, right? Now, somebody was suggesting if you have some intervals, mu minus sigma to mu plus sigma, it was like 68%. We'll be discussing bit later. Now, the beauty of normal distribution is if you know the average, if you know the standard deviation, you can say that within the range of -3 times sigma, 2 plus 3 times sigma, entire data will be contained. 99.7% of the value will lie within the range. So this is the beauty. And always, whenever we are getting a question, example, we will be first trying to convert x to a standard score. You remember we had discussed about standard score? Z was x minus mu by sigma. All of you write quickly, Devasri Nandi. So this is called standard score. We'll be referring this Z value while referring the normal table. That will be of great help. Now, somebody was suggesting the intervals. I'm so happy that it came from you. So when the area looks like this, we'll be interested to have analysis on these intervals. What is the first interval, Kamlesh? Now look here, m mu minus sigma to mu plus sigma. Somebody was suggesting 68%. I'll be discussing. Then mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma. Devasri, what is the last interval? Mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma. What would be the total probability area? 99.7%, right? This will be discussing that. Now here, look to the screen. This is where what we have discussed, mean, median, mode will coincide and both the side will be equal. Now, somebody was trying to suggest skewed symmetric curve, and I think Ashwini was telling all symmetric may not be normal, all normal should be symmetric. Please see here, the lower one, which is a bit flat, we call it platycutic. This is symmetric, but not normal. Top one, this is symmetric, but also not normal. This is a leptocutic. Only middle one, which is perfectly bell-shaped, it is called normal curve. It is also otherwise known as mesocutic. Okay, Saloni, I have used 3 words. What are the 3 words? Top one, leptocutic, middle one, mesocutic, and lower one, platycutic. Okay, please remember this. Now, somebody was suggesting this. Now, all of you need to write down here. This is very important. I think I'm happy that it came from one of you. Please look here. Kamlesh, you want to sleep? Feeling tired? What is the interval here? Mu minus sigma to mu plus sigma. This white area, what is the total area here? Kamlesh?
68% of
68%, or you convert it in decimal, 0.68.
0.68.
So all of you write Patapad. And next, Aspruva, what is the interval here? Can you look to the screen? Mu minus 2 sigma to
mu plus 2 sigma.
And the area probability is
95.5%.
or in decimal 0.955. Okay, this can come as short question, objective question in quiz. Okay, Pandey, last one, what is the interval? Mu minus 3 sigma से लेके, अरे unmute करके फटाफट बोलना उस पर. Okay, Akash. अरे, you are not audible. Another.
So mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma.
And what is the area? What is the probability? Akash, you had some audio problem.
99.7%.
And this would be 0.997, right? This is what
Yes.
like one of your friend was suggesting. Okay, all of you should participate. Now please see, I was telling, if values are given in X, look to the screen. Is it visible, Saloni? Roll number 62, unmute kar.
Yes, sir.
In this picture, mean value will be given, standard deviation will be given. From this, can we convert to Z? What is the Z formula, Saloni?
So x minus mu by
It is
sigma.
written here. It is written here. Is seen? So
Yes,
now at this point center, what is X value?
50.
You write in a notebook. X, you write 50. Are you looking at the screen? Jaldi dekh rahe. What is
Yes,
mu here?
So mu is
Mu is also 50.
yes,
Right? 50 minus 50 by sigma. Sigma is how much?
25.
25.
So kitna hua? Dava says. At center, what is the Z value?
0.
0. So, okay. So for each X value, we'll be finding like this respective Z value. Here, is it clear, dear? Okay. So we'll be taking a lot of example. By end of today, you'll be able to find how to convert to Z value. Okay. So this figure 5.7 I've taken from Levin. So you can try to understand as a self reading कि अगर standard deviation equal है but mean are different, what does it imply? And second example, standard deviations are different, what does it imply? I'll be happy if some of you can write optional the implication as a short note. This is something like a self-study. I'm not discussing, and if you are still not clear, we can take it off in the next class. Okay, is that clear? Yeah.
सर नॉर्मल कर्व में ही जो हमारा वैल्यू है z का, वो जैसे यहाँ पे 0, -1, 1 तो ऐसे जो वैरी कर रहा है, ये नॉर्मल कर्व में ही पॉसिबल है ना?
हाँ,
अगर
नॉर्मल कर्व का जेड वैल्यू, नॉर्मल
Z
कर्व का
value.
जेड वैल्यू। नॉर्मल कर्व में two types of variables will be there. One is x value and in terms of z value. Okay, अभी
Yes.
कराएंगे, बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स है, ठीक है।
एंड सर
Now,
ये पीपीटी आपने शेयर नहीं किया है।
कर दिया था, क्वेश्चन पहले कर दिया था। तेरे पास टाइम नहीं है ना, तो चेक नहीं कर रहा है। आई नो यू आर वेरी बिजी, नेक्स्ट टू नरेंद्र मोदी जी, यू आर द मोस्ट बिजी पर्सन इन इंडिया। अभी देखो, दिस इज द नॉर्मल टेबल एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल to please open your deck. This is, we will be getting in exam or also while doing any problem solving questions from normal distribution, you will be getting this normal table. All of you notice a sample picture is given. Now, in the sample picture, top of the page, one area is shaded. मधुस्मिता, कहां से कहां तक शेडिंग हुआ है?
From main position to Z.
हाँ, so always center mean value Z का वैल्यू 0 होगा। so 0 से लेके 2.24 तक। now this area you should be able to find from normal table 0.4875. all of you listen to me carefully. This normal table first column alone is Z value. I repeat, first column alone is Z value. Now, if you are finding a Z value with 2 places of decimal, like here 2.24, so 2.2 we can refer from the first column. हाँ या ना? देवाशीष अनम्यूट कर रख। Now the other last digit 4, you have to refer from the first row. First row is called mean difference, right? Now, Saloni, जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, scroll down, first column जहाँ 2.2 है, वहाँ रुक, 2.2 highlight कर। तो क्या कर दिया रे? गड़बड़ कर रहा है। 2.2 कहाँ है? हाँ, highlight कर। Only 2.2 रे। ठीक है। Now, हाँ, so all of you are checking yours. All of you check yours. Devashish, then
Yes, sir.
Anada. How do we
Yes, sir.
move next? 2.2 हो गया। 2.24 चाहिए। 4 कहाँ से मिलेगा?
0.04, sir.
0.04.
That is mean difference.
Yes, sir.
Saloni, can you reduce and show it mean difference 0.04? हाँ, 0.04 जहाँ लिखा है, 0.04 जहाँ लिखा है, हाँ, come down, wait, highlight that, very good. अभी enlarge कर, okay, thank you. All of you are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Stop sharing. If you're not following. Now this we are finding probability. And if you have referred the picture, this area was shaded. Am I right, Harsh? Unmute करके रख रहे. So Z का
Yes, sir.
वैल्यू यहाँ 0 से लेके Z का वैल्यू 2.24 तक. ठीक है. So we are to find what is the chance that X will be within this 0 से लेके 2.24 तक. इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? Now CD wanted फॉर्मूला कहाँ गया? सुबुद्धि साहब ने तो बाइनोमियल में फॉर्मूला यूज किए थे, क्वेश्चन में तो फॉर्मूला ये यूज किए थे, नॉर्मल तो कुछ दिखाए थे. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? लकीली इन नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन you are not using probability formula. CD, you are there or not there? Your breakfast is over.
Yes, sir.
Formula is there. Professor Goss has found. If I start writing the formula, I'm pretty sure many of you, including Aspura, CD, Harsh, bhag jayenge. The formula was like this. The formula is a continuous. वो fx में मिलेगा और ये होगा 1/√2 पाई e to the power -12 x minus mu by sigma, और इसको इंटीग्रेट करो। ये है फॉर्मूला। यू लाइक इट सीधी? अगर इसको प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है सो लोअर लिमिट होगा 0 यहाँ 2.24, सो इसके अंदर आप इंटीग्रेट करो, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी मिलेगा। सो दोज हु वांट टू compete with Professor Gus, they can use this, but luckily Professor Gus is a nice gentleman. He knew that our new generation जो है they are very busy, so they have given some computerized ready-made probability table which is readily available from the normal table. Okay, ये जो है this value is how much? हर्ष कितना मिला था?
0.4
875.
4875.
0.4875.
Okay, all of you are clear? So this probability formula we are not using. Ananya, what are the second example we discussed? किसका हमने ज्योति 1 मिनट रुक जा रहे ज्योति।
Sir,
0.89 किया था रे, 0.89 किया था। So actually we found probability x between 0 to 0.89, ये निकाले थे ना अभी? क्या हुआ था? अरे कोई तो बोलो।
Yes sir.
वो लास्ट में यही किए थे सर।
अरे बोलना, प्रोबेबिलिटी बोलना। मधुस्मिता अलोन बोल।
0.3133.
Okay, so you what I'm just suggesting, don't forget to write the left hand side expression. ये तो normal table you are referring and getting it, so you will be finding it. Subiksha, what are the third example we did just now for practice? अरे अभी रेफर किए थे ना हर्ष, कोई तो बोलो।
1.35.
Very good. So Saloni, how do we write that?
A probability of 0 less than equals to x less
All of
than
you
equals
please
to
listen to Saloni. Probability
of 0 less than equals to x less than equal to 1.35.
कितना मिला था?
0.4115.
Very good. 411. Thank you, dear. So all of you have to understand कि you are finding probability of an interval. Let me clarify here. Unlike binomial and Poisson, Ankita Jana, what is the meaning of unlike? Ankita, you are checking WhatsApp. What is the meaning of unlike? What is the meaning of unlike? Which you don't like? Abhishek Kumar, Pani pee liya? What is the meaning of unlike?
Not similar.
Not same as.
Opposite, just opposite. जो binomial Poisson में किए थे, you had found probability for 1-1 figure, 1-1 term. Probability of 0 success, then probability of 1 success, then probability of 2 success. 2 के बाद 3 होगा, 3 के बाद 4 होगा. We knew that it's a discrete value. ठीक है अंकिता, मैडम. You had your breakfast today और अभी बाकी है?
No sir, not yet.
Now in continuous variable, सुन रहे. After 3 what comes? After 3 breakfast comes. Hers, after 3 what comes?
4.
Very good. 4 से पहले कुछ नहीं है? सुभिक्षा?
3.1.
अरे हर्ष तो हमारा पृथ्वी को चलाया रे, तो क्यों उधर उधर टोक्यो में है? मैंने बोला यहाँ फ्रैक्शन हो सकता है. What देवश्री told? कोट देवश्री. 3 के बाद क्या होगा? सुन रहे देवश्री? अन्नदा 3 और 3.1 के बीच में कुछ नहीं है अन्नदा. 3 और 3.01 से बीच में कुछ नहीं है.
3.001.
So please imagine in continuous distribution, whether it is a variable or distribution, there are so many points within 2 small intervals. So theoretically, in any continuous distribution, probability is not found. All of you, please listen to me carefully. Vishal, your hairstyle is okay. Listen. Probability is not found on a point. Probability is found for one interval. Anybody who can like tell why? Is anybody getting me, Jyoti?
Yes, sir.
What was my question?
The interval we are taking with from 3 to 4, we are taking as 1, not as.
You come back to my class, Jyoti. I'm asking why.
Because in between.
This is the question you had asked me. Interesting question. 4-7 days back, you had asked me. Jyoti had asked me, what is the point? What is the line? Kind of thing. So one point has no area. No area means zero area. So 0 into anything, if you are finding area property, so it will be 0. Okay, theoretical speaking, in continuous distribution, we never find probability area for a point, or a dot, or a number, because it will be 0 theoretically. So in continuous distribution, we only find from one interval to other interval. Right, Jyoti? You had a question now. You can ask me question quick. 10 seconds.
The formula things. 1 by
formula, don't worry. Formula is not required. Formula is not required.
For my verification, I just note
that you ask me after the class. You concentrate here.
Sir, only in discrete value we take from 0.
It can be 0. It can be from any number, but it will be whole number. Okay, it will be whole number. In normal distribution, it can have fractional value, and it can also be negative. Binomial Poisson में negative नहीं हो सकता, fractional value नहीं हो सकता. Normal distribution में value negative हो सकता है, fractional value भी हो सकता है.
Negative. So then why it is here that the probability of x has to be it has to be more than 0 or 0 when it can be negative? When
probability can never be negative.
Okay,
probability should have some positive value. It can be very, very small, and probability value cannot exceed 1. Probability, in case anybody finding your answer in negative or more than 1, you'll be getting straight 0 hers in exam. Okay. Now will be yes, please.
Sir, एक सवाल था कि जो this is the chart that we're given. Through this chart we can find up to 3.09. उसके
Right. Good, very good. I'm so happy that Ananya is very serious. Don't be that serious. अभी जो MBA में serious जरूरत नहीं है. अगर तू PhD ज्वाइन करेगी ना, तो seriousness चाहिए. Hers is interested to do research, so that's why he is serious. अभी देखो somebody who has had Ananya's interesting question. Jyoti is a researcher type friend of mine. Jyoti, क्या बोला रे Ananya?
She's asking if we go beyond 3.09, then what
क्यों टेबल साइलेंट है? टेबल क्यों खामोश है? 3 के बाद क्या है? Now, if you remember Madhusmita, we had given in x terms, art center will be mu. After that, mu plus sigma, mu plus 2 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma, right? Here also similar way. Ananya सुन रहे, mu minus 3 sigma. So यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना probability था रे? Remember? 99.997. तो close to 100% हो गया ना? तो इसका अगर Z करेंगे तो Z होगा 0, 1, 2, 3. So -3 से लेके अगर 3 तक होगा तो सारे हो गया ना? इसके आगे कुछ ही नहीं है. Now all of you, रुको. All of you, please look to the data table. If you find towards end of the table, right hand corner, वहाँ difference ज़्यादा नहीं है, थोड़ा तो close है. All values are similar. I'm happy that Ananya has asked a good question, and I'm happy that for the first time I'm thinking of I'm in a PG class. Good. So we'll be trying some examples. Hope after that it will be more clear. All of you requested, take out pen and paper, calculator. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll be taking example. All of you are requested to please participate, and those who are having doubt should ask me question. We have got question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. This we'll be discussing, but I would prefer if you can solve question number 4 first. This will be also assignment today, class work. All of you must solve this and submit today itself. Okay. हर्ष टुडे का मतलब समझ रहा है?
सर, यस सर.
हाँ, तो अभी देखो, कैन यू रीड द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस? हर्ष जोर से पढ़ सभी के लिए.
The average age of population is 35. Standard deviation is 5. What is the probability that people with more than 40 years will be found?
So in case you are getting any question from normal distribution, all of you listen to me. First, try to draw a normal curve like this. Okay. Immediately you write if you have got value of mean and standard deviation. First write here mean is 35, standard deviation 5. All of you are clear here? Then try to read the question and set the required area. Now let me stop here. Abhishek Kumar, you have got digital pen? है या नहीं?
अभी नहीं है क्लास.
अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. Subiksha, you have got? All of you should have a digital pen. Subiksha है?
Yes, sir.
Share the whiteboard. All of you should have the digital pen. Those who are solving through digital pen will get participation mark. Kamlesh, question याद है रे? Subiksha को help कर. Draw one normal curve. All today we will be drawing one normal curve. Get ready. All of you look to the screen.
Yes sir. इसमें वो है मीन 35 दिया है. स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन.
सुभिक्षा?
Yes sir. No हो गया.
Quick. Okay. Draw a normal curve. Now at center, what should we write? What is the value? 35.
35 is sir.
Okay, Kamlesh 40. Subhikya soon, go slow. 40 will be on the left hand side. Kamlesh right?
Right side sir.
I'm just checking. So 35 के बाद right hand side you write 40. 40 के ऊपर एक vertical line कर. Don't use rubber, strike out, फटाफट टाइम सेव कर, फटाफट. 40 के ऊपर vertical line raise कर. Very good. Now what is the question, Ashwini?
Sir, we have to find the value of Z. Everything is given.
मैं तुझे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ तो कुछ और बोल रहा है. हमेशा यही कर रहा है तू, अश्विनी.
What is the probability that people with more than 40 years will be
more
found?
than 40? वही पूछना था.
Yes,
more
sir.
than 40 here will be on left hand side.
No, sir, right hand side.
Thank you. Here is always a best friend of mine. She always helps me. Subiksha, right hand side को सेट कर. 40 के बाद right hand side को सेट कर. अरे सुबिक्षा.
40 के बाद.
So all of you should be taking care. This is the first expectation from you. अगर shading में गलती हुआ तो answer will be wrong. Devasri, are you getting it? So all of you write. Right hand side margin top select. Subiksha, step 1 dot leg. Why you are using rubber? No rubber. Right, फटाफट top right hand margin select 1 dot steps. अरे राइट हैंड स्क्रीन का राइट हैंड टॉप कॉर्नर कहाँ पर है?
सर इधर.
राइट स्टेप्स. तो जापानीज में लिख रहा है टोक्यो ओलंपिक. लेक 1 डॉट. अरे रबर क्यों बार बार यूज कर रहा है? 1 डॉट लेक. नीचे लेक स्टेप के नीचे लेक 1 डॉट
1 dot.
अरे सीरियल नंबर 1
अरे
पे
सीरियल नंबर 1
अरे तू जापान चला गया क्या? आई शुड टॉक इन जापानीज. ड्रॉ नॉर्मल कर्व. अगर नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का कोई क्वेश्चन मिल रहा है सभी को ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. ड्रॉ नॉर्मल कर्व. स्टेप 2 डॉट 2 नंबर लेक. सेड रिक्वायर्ड एरिया SHADE. जल्दी लेक फटाफट लेक. These are the steps all of you should follow. Number 3, convert X to Z. फटाफट लेक. Convert capital X, arrow mark, Z. Okay. Number 4, refer normal table. हर्ष, अगर X 40 है, Z कितना होगा? शुभेच्छा, ग्राफ के नीचे नॉर्मल कर्व के नीचे लेक Z इक्वल्स टू
mu
x minus mu
by sigma.
तो क्या कर रहा है?
x minus mu by sigma.
x minus mu divided by sigma. By sigma.
फटाफट शुभेच्छा, फटाफट कर, टाइम सेव करना. सिग्मा इक्वल्स टू
40 minus 35 by 5.
Only one should guide her. मधुस्मिता केयरफुली गाइड कर.
Divided by 5.
कितना हुआ?
1. 5 by 5 1.
Equals to 1. लेख ले शुभेच्छा. So all of you refer मधुस्मिता फटाफट नॉर्मल टेबल देख. When Z is 1, what is the probability?
0.34.
Stop sharing. Ananya.
0.3413.
Please stop sharing. Subiksha. I think I need to take over because this is first question. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ananya.
Yes, sir.
So this is X value is 35, Z value is 0.
0.
Here X value is 40, Z value is 1. Okay.
Yes.
Now all of you should use different color in QT. And so this value, kitna hua Ananya?
So value is 0.3413. Final
3,
value.
4,
13.
3.
13, yes.
Okay. Okay. Now this value, hers
Yes,
will
sir.
be for the shaded area. This is the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Hers is one of my most favorite obedient student. But hers, you know, I don't want obedient student. जेड को जो ग्राफ दिखाया था ना
सर भाई एरिया हुआ ना.
हाँ, कहाँ से कहाँ तक मधुस्मिता?
40 के बाद
कोई तो बोलो हर्ष को. हर्ष यही तो गलती होगा ना. डोंट थिंक फॉर्मूला नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं. नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट इजी होगा.
सर तो फिर शेड.
अरे जो टेबल में से मिल रहा है तो 0 से यहाँ तक ना, और सैंपल ग्राफ दिया गया था ना बुक में.
हाँ ठीक है सर, समझ गया. वैल्यू यहाँ से यहाँ तक.
ठीक है. हिया तो आंसर कितना होगा रे? हिया
1 minus 0.3413.
No,
0.5 minus.
Madhushmita is correct. हिया क्या हो गया रे तेरे को? This minus this.
Sorry, हाँ 0.5 minus.
कितना हुआ बोलो? कोई बोलेगा?
0.1587. 0.15.
1587.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
0.1587.
So all of you are clear? So this required area is 0.1587. Riddhi, you are there? Is it clear? Siddhi?
0.5 से क्यों माइनस किया?
एक बोलो. देवश्री बोल रहे.
क्योंकि वो जो मीन का राइट साइड 0.5 होता है और मीन का लेफ्ट साइड 0.5 होता है, तब जाके वो 1 होता है.
फिर से
हाफ साइड हम लोग लिए तो 0.5 से हम लोग.
फिर से फिर से कोई बताए।
जो ग्राफ है ना हर्ष, उसके राइट साइड है, उसके लेफ्ट साइड है ना। प्रोबेबिलिटी विल कम, टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी हम लोग 1 लेते हैं ना। सो जो हम लोग ले रहे हैं वो एकदम
यहाँ से यहाँ तक
0.5 इधर
1 हो
होगा,
गया,
0.5 उधर
ठीक है।
होगा।
पहले जो
ये
प्रॉपर्टी सर
0.5
बोले
और ये 0.5, ठीक है।
ओके
बस
सर, यस सर, समझ
ये
गया।
0.5 हो गया, ये 0.5 से माइनस करना पड़ेगा। क्लियर? ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Anybody having doubt? Aspruha,
Yes, sir,
Saurabh,
Sir, I
clear?
can understand. Sir?
Anybody having doubt?
Yes, sir.
अरे जोर से बोलना।
Sir, I can't understand after 1 means z is equal to 1. After that, I couldn't understand.
तबश्री,
आफ्टर भी हाँ सर, Z1 आया ना, तो हम लोग को अभी नॉर्मल टेबल जो सर दिखाए थे उसको रेफर करना है। तो नॉर्मल टेबल
all of you have to solve 6-bit questions. 6-bit question means you have to write 6 normal curves, and each question you have to follow 4 steps. What are the 4 steps, Madhusmita? We had just now discussed. First,
We have to draw the normal
draw
curve.
normal curve. Second,
Then we have to shade the required area.
required area as per the question. Third,
Then we have to convert the value of x to z.
X to Z, and fourth you have to
And
refer
normal
normal
table.
table. Siddhi, unmute kar, bol. What are the 4 steps?
So first we have to make this normal distribution graph, and
Draw
then
normal curve. Second,
second is we have to shade the required area.
third,
Third is we have to convert the x value to z.
X to Z, and fourth you refer normal table, right? Now, for example, Aspruha, first bit. ये शेडिंग जो होगा फर्स्ट बिट में कहां पर होगा शेडिंग?
राइट साइड।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। रश्मि साय, ना अभी देख ठीक से सोच के बता। ई बिट, 5th बिट, रश्मि साय, ये शेडिंग कहां पर होगा? फटाफट तेरे पास है डिजिटल पेन रश्मि? क्यों नहीं है रे? किया, you got a digital pen here?
No sir.
क्यों नहीं रे?
मेरे पास है।
तेरे पास सब कुछ है, सुख है, दुख है, हर किसी का प्राणी का समस्या का हल भी है। अच्छा, ये शेयर कर। अच्छा, अभी क्या करते हैं? we'll be stopping here. I'll be making some breakout groups. You have to discuss all 6 bits step by step. Let me solve myself 1 or 2. You just tell me the question. As I have said, whiteboard, I cannot read out the questions. So, one by one, just tell the question. Anu.
What percentage of the people are below 28 years of age?
So all of you should write like this. Okay. In the question, which bit is this, Anupriya?
Sir, D.
Okay. So this D bit, we are solving it. Anybody not following can ask me. So at center, what will be the value? Anu, fatafat bol.
35.
45.
35, 35.
Okay. So 28 will be coming on the right hand side.
Sir, left.
Okay, you are awake. I was just checking whether you are awake or not. So 28 ka below means what? This area or this area?
Sir, in between 28 से 35 के बीच में।
तो कहाँ पर है? हमारे जमीन पर है या कहीं और प्लानेट चली गई?
एंड वाला एरिया।
28 का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड।
अरे अनुप्रिया, तू एग्जाम में यही करेगी तू? बिलो लिखाया ना, देख रहे?
Yes sir.
So this is the first mistake students do. Take care, easy. So you have to set the accurate area. Am I clear here? What is the next step? अनु फटाफट बोल रहे?
सर Z का वैल्यू निकालेंगे सर।
कैसे निकालेंगे? बोल ना।
X minus 2 by sigma।
बोल तो।
28 minus 35 by 5।
हाँ, कितना हुआ? बोल।
minus 1.4।
minus 1.4. So this is minus, and it is here. All of you note down, Z value can be negative, but the normal table is given for positive side only. Because it is symmetrical. Listen first. Let me complete, then you ask. Because it is symmetrical, you can also think as if it is here, 1.4. Okay. So Z, when it is 1.4, what is the probability value?
0.4192.
4192.
Yes.
So this value, Jyoti, will be for this area or for this area?
Blue side.
Jyoti, this 4192 will be for area number 1 or area number A or area number B? ज्योति तू आज वोल्टेज लो है तेरा.
Area number 8.
Sir, my voice is not from...
It is always from center. So this is area number A. So now this value is this. Anupriya or Pon, anybody, how to find this area?
So 0.5
minus.
0.5 से फटाफट कैलकुलेटर यूज करके बोलो, कोई ना हुआ?
0.0808.
Very good, 0808. Am I answering you, Anupriya?
Yes, sir.
So what is the percentage now? You have to tell me the percentage. Is it asked to convert in percentage? Question क्या लिखा है?
Yes, percentage में convert.
So percentage लिखो, finally 8% लिखो. 8.08.
Just multiply by 100 and then write.
One by one. If you ask all together, then we cannot do na. So first Jyoti. One by one. Jyoti, your question. Then Arpan. You got doubt?
Sir, no question. I thought of answering.
Why you have raised your hand? Remove. Okay, Anupriya, remove your hand. Arpan.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. If it is coming negative, sir, then how Z value we are taking, not taking minus 0.4192?
Okay, good. Anybody is also having this similar doubt? Dabasri?
No.
Have I not explained Dabasri? Probability कभी negative नहीं होगा. Chance. जीतने का chance क्या है? अर्पण, ये negative होगा कभी?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Minimum value 0 होगा. Probability value can never be negative. सुनो रे, एक मिनट सुनो. So मैंने क्या बोला अभी? Z can be negative, X can be negative, probability can never be negative. Right? Yes. Somebody else was asking. Anybody else?
The question number C का strategy क्या होगा? कैसे हम लोग उसको मतलब
question number
C.
One by one. Abhinav.
Yes, sir. Between 37 to 42, sir. It's given, no?
Ek minute. Are you both asking the same question, Abhinav?
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Sir, I have...
The percentage of people are between 37 and 42 years of age.
So you'll be writing X between, फिर से बोल.
37 and 42.
Okay. So art center, you have 35, right? So 37 and 42 will be on which
right
side?
Right
Both
side.
will be on right side. 37
Plus
is here.
37, 42.
42.
Yes, sir.
So you want this?
Yes, sir.
Can we find Z values, Dabasri?
37 and 42.
Can we find Z value? अरे कोई निकाला था?
हाँ सर निकाले 37
and 1.4.
Here बोल 37 का कितना?
0.4 and 1.4. 37 का वैल्यू 0.4 आएगा, इसका 1.4.
37 का Z वैल्यू 0.4
और उसका नॉर्मल में 0.1554 और 4192 ऐसे है. 1554. ओके. और एक का 0.4192.
0.4192. Okay, all of you look to the screen. Dipanjan, ये जो 0.1554, this will be for which area?
37 and upwards.
Like 35 to 40.
Devasri, don't spoil.
Okay.
Dipanjan, I will be awarding you minus 15 mark today. अरे 5 क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं, क्या हो रहा है तेरे को? 0 से हमेशा होगा ना, सुन रहे दिपांजन, सुन, ये जो वैल्यू होगा यहाँ का होगा, समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, डाउट है? अरे बेटा 0 से यहाँ तक रे, देख रहे स्क्रीन को देख. So the probability of what you are getting from the table will be this. Okay, Ashwini, ये 0.4192 किसका प्रोबेबिलिटी होगा रे?
35 to 37.
तुझे मिलेगा -21.
35 to 42.
42.
तेरा क्या हो रहा है? वोल्टेज डाउन है तेरा
42.
यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक.
Yes, sir.
तो आंसर कैसे मिलेगा? किया
माइनस करेंगे सर.
इसको माइनस इधर करो, -1554. Easy or not? Easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, एक मिनट रुको. Siddhi, hope if I repeatedly ask you, you will not be angry. ये जो क्वेश्चन अभी किए, if at all you have understood, give a try. Give a try. Explain what you have done. What is the question? Start first. What is the question? And if you are not comfortable, say pass. Don't worry.
So I'll just see the question.
You need to tell me loudly. Okay, you are addressing a batch of 70. You need to make a practice of telling loudly. Yeah, Joseph.
So, sir, it was given that we have to find the percentage of people between 37 and 42.
Right.
So,
Step one was draw a normal curve and set the area. Up to that is okay. Then next step.
So then we have to find the value like the
Z conversion. Be confident. Tell Fatafat confident answer. Z value. So what are the Z values you got? 37 ka 0.4, 42 ka 1.4, and the respective probability you have got this. Okay. Now this probability is for this area. Okay. And the bigger probability is from center till end. But we want this area only, right? So bigger probability minus smaller probability is the required probability, right? Yes. Anybody having doubt? Thank you. Now I'm stopping here.